stranger.
Ooh, does he have a pink unicorn and is he wearing a pink fluffy dress?
Do you have any food you could spare us?
No, go away.
Really greedy.
Noah? I'll see if I can have any luck.
Who's there? What do you want?
I was wondering if you have any food that you could spare us.
No. Get off our lawn. And stop using our Wi-Fi.
Very greedy and are obsessed with Wi-Fi. Hello. Do you have any food you could give us? No. Go away. They're twins and triplets of terror. I mean, they're too greedy. Wait, if they're all greedy, then maybe you could trick them by making soup out of stones. That's a good idea. Okay. If we only just had a pot to boil it in. Mommy, what are they doing? What are you doing? Making stone soup. We could just boil it if we had a pot. What's stone soup? It's soup made out of stones. It's the cheapest soup in the world. Oh, I think I got that. So you want a pot? Yeah. I think we have one of those things. Oh yeah, we do. This is a pot. It is? Oh, here you go. This soup would be so much better if we had some cabbage to it. Cabbage? Yeah, some. Oh, we do? Yes. Yes, it's those vegetables that are green and leafy. Oh, I get it now. Is this cabbage? Yeah, that's cabbage. Yay! Mom, I'm bored. I'm going to go see Olivia and her friends. Our sisters. Goodbye. Let's go visit Ada. Yeah. They're doing something weird with stones and pots. Interesting. What are you doing? We're making stone soup. What's that? It's made out of stone. Is it yummy? Yeah. Is it cheap? Yes. Does it taste good? Yeah. It would be just so much better if we had some carrots and potatoes to it. Carrots? Let's go get them in the bathtub. Yeah. Got one. Yeah. I remember. What are they? The big thing. The big round. Yeah. Put it in the bathtub. Sorry. This soup is gonna be so good. Is it a potato? Or is it a grape? It's a potato. This soup would be the best soup in the world if we had some soup bone to it. I know who has soup bone. Those old men who are obsessed with Wi-Fi and don't like people on their lawn. I'll go get them.
Who is it?
I just wanted to invite you to Stone Soup.
What's stone soup?
It's soup made out of stones.
And it tastes good?
Yes, it does, and it's very cheap.
Well, we don't want to come, but we'll come anyway.
Okay. This soup is great, but I would just think it would be so much better with some soup bones. Right?
We have soup bone.
We do.
What else? No, we don't. What else?
Where do you think I got it?
Nope.
Have it.
hungry, so we tricked all of you guys into making stone soup. But now there's enough soup for the community.
Oh, that's bad. Actually, it's good. You can all have a free meal.
How do you tell?
If it's done. You have to smell it.
Let's go smell it.
It's done. And that.
Stop. Hey, what's that smell? The soup is done. That's so swell.
And that's how you make stone soup.
Okay, thank you all. Good job, you guys. So